So the achieving the best award gives us happiness, of course. The award money announced as a token of your achievement would not be possible without the kind support from our sponsors. So they are the true advocate of promoting science and research in our countries. So I would like to request now Dr. Thilini Pereira from University of Colombo and the Secretary of the Sri Lankan Academy of Young Scientists as well as the IPPC Organizing Committee member to acknowledge the sponsors of IPPC 2020. Dr. Thilini, over to you.
Okay. Thank you, Sabrina. And on behalf of the Organizing Committee of IPCC 2020, I'm extremely honored to take this opportunity in thanking our wonderful sponsors. First and foremost, I would like to thank Sonali Bank Limited, Bangladesh. Sonali Bank Limited, Bangladesh for their very generous contribution in making IPPC 2020 a great success. I would also like to thank Incepta Pharmaceuticals Limited, Bangladesh for their financial support extended in making this event a success. Another big thank goes to Rokomari.com for having faith on us and extending a helping hand. And thank you, Alitech Corporation Limited, for your generous contribution in making IPPC 2020 a success. We greatly appreciate the support extended by Marine India. Thank you very much, Marine India, for your kind support. Also, I would like to thank Indian National Young Academy of Sciences for their kind contribution. And last but not least, I would like to mention a few names that helped us immensely in making IPPC 2020 a great success. Mr. Sekar Hussain Khan, General Manager, Public Relations Division, Sonali Bank Limited, Head Office, Dhaka. Thank you very much, sir. And Mr. Muhammad Jassim Udaina Khan, Comptroller, Buet. Thank you very much, sir, for your contribution. And Mr. Kasi Humayun Kabir, Assistant General Manager, Sonali Bank Limited, Buet Branch, Dhaka. Thank you, sir, for your contribution. And Mr. A.S.M. Isha, the Senior Principal Officer, Sonali Bank Limited, Buet Branch, Dhaka. Thank you, sir, for the contribution. And Mr. Karamur Ashan, Principal Geotechnical Engineer, Swesco UK Limited. Thank you, sir, for the contribution. And with that, I would like to conclude this short speech of mine. And thank you everyone again for your generosity. Hope you had a great evening. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Thilini. So now it's a time for the students. So congratulations to all the winners. We would like to actually hear from our winners. So may I request to Miss Sir Patham Divya Sarubini from Life Science Group A to say something for 1 minute or less about your feelings, that how are you feeling, if you are there. Sir Patham from Life Science Group A.
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Please continue.
It is truly a privilege to have participated in IPP 2020. And I take this opportunity to thank my supervisor, Dr. Gayatri N. Silva. And I also like to acknowledge my University of Colombo, for providing excellent infrastructure to conduct research to the international standard. I would also like to thank young academies of Thailand, India, especially Sri Lanka, and also Bangladesh, for bringing up such an amazing competition to showcase our talents. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Now we will move to Life Science Group B, Mr. Anurup Mukhopadhyay. If you are here, please express your feeling.
Yes, thank you very much. I am very thankful to all the academies for giving me the opportunity to present my work here. And I'm thankful to my supervisor, Professor Jyotirmoy Chatterjee and Professor Robibroto Mukherjee from IIT Kharagpur, who always give me the support for doing good research, good science before everything. And I also would like to say one thing, that in this dull time, awards are always very much good for boosting and making realize that whatever is being done is worth doing actually. And last but not the least, I'd like to thank all the participants, all the fellow participants, and all the scientists here who gave me the opportunity for doing good research work, and for asking me some questions after presenting, which actually enriched my work and will give some good uh, will give me some good ways of thinking for doing or continuing with the research work later on. Thank you.
Thank you, Anupam. May I request Subrata Das from the Applied Science and Engineering Group A winner to say something?
I am extremely happy and honored to receive such a prestigious award. Thank you so much for taking the time and effort to organize this beautiful event in such a difficult time. Winning this award would not have been possible without the constant support and inspiration from my honorable supervisor, Professor Basis sir. I also want to thank my lab mates of Nanotechnology Research Group. Thank you again.
You are welcome. Okay, and now Poulomi Chakraborty from Applied Science and Engineering Group B. May I request you to say?
Hello. I'm very happy that I have got the award, and I would like to thank IPCC for this wonderful opportunity. And also I would like to thank my supervisor. I'm nobody without them, Mr. Professor Rabibrata Mukherjee and Professor Samit Kumar Ray from IIT Kharagpur. And I would like to thank all the judges for insightful suggestions regarding the presentation in all the talk. And also I'd like to thank my lab mates for wonderful environment for working in the lab and all the suggestions. And thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Poulomi. Now from Physical Science, I would like to request Somnath Mukherjee to from the Group A to say something.
Hello, everyone.
Somnath, yeah.
I'm really excited to receive this award. I would like to express my gratitude to the organizers of IPPC 2020 and the honorable judges to give us this opportunity to present our work on this among the wide audience. I want to thank my supervisor, Professor Nimala Ghosh, my institute, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Kolkata, and also my lab members who made this work successful. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Great, congratulations. So now Sunny Nandi from Physical Science Group B. If you are
yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
I'm overwhelmed with gratitude to have been awarded in this IPPC 2020. I'm very thankful to the organizer for taking this incentive and coming out with this international poster presentation competition 2020. I should also thank my supervisor. It was he who informed me to participate, as I was not aware of this conference. I'm very happy because this is the third award I'm receiving during this COVID crisis. I believe this was more or less poster plus oral competition. I would like to add 1 point before winding up. It would be great if we are allowed, like undergraduate or postgraduate, to attend all the talks presented by different groups. It would be much better, I believe. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Sunny. So now from Social Science, I would like to request Muhammad Anwar Hussain, Social Science Group A.
Thank you very much. I'm really very happy to receive this first position, Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much, IPCC. On this great moment, I would like to make mention of one great man whom I take as my academic father, my mentor, and who also supervised this thesis that I presented, Professor Dr. Mohammad Belal Hussain from Department of Population Sciences, University of Dhaka. He is the man who he never settled less than the best, and he brought the best out of me. So thank you very much, sir. We shared this together. Thank you very much, IPCC, for arranging such a wonderful platform where we can show our piece of hard work. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Anwar, again. Now, I would like to request Ms. Thilini S. Kasturiyatri from Sri Lanka, Social Science Group B, to say something if you are there.
Yes, I'm really thankful for IPPC Organizing Committee for this opportunity provided for me to show my research work during this difficult period. And I take this opportunity to thank my supervisor, Dr. Siddharth Liyanage in University of Kelaniya and the Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology for the fullest support provided for me to do my research. And thank you all the distinguished members in the judge panel, and thank you very much all.
Thank you to you also. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are almost at the end of the award ceremony now. On this occasion, may I request Professor Abdullah Shams bin Tariq from University of Rajshahi and our organizing committee member from IPPC to deliver the vote of thanks. Dr. Abdullah, over to you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sabrina. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. So first of all, I would like to thank our distinguished guests, Professor A.K. Azad Chaudhary, Professor Chandrima Shaha, Dr. Anindita Bhadra, Dr. Lasen Al-Yusufi, and as well as our invited speaker, Dr. Gitanjali Yadav, and all other guests who are present here. There are a number of very senior guests who have always been encouraging from the sidelines. So many of them, some of them are here today, and I would like to acknowledge their presence because your presence encourages us and inspires us. I would like to especially mention our honorable judges because they have really done a great job. They have taken the real burden of this competition and ensured that this has been done in a proper manner with full integrity. And coming together from most of the judges did not know each other, but they worked so well as a team. And this is really encouraging and inspiring and something to learn from. The conveners of the four committees, the four disciplines, they have also worked with us very well. I'd like to once again thank the sponsors because that has allowed us to award this prize money and also proceed with the remaining parts of our organization. And then I would like, this competition would be nothing without our participants. So I would really like to thank our participants. You're taking part in such large numbers within this difficult situation was the main boost for us after the inception of the idea. So all your I'd like to thank all your co-authors and your supervisors because their contribution went into making such excellent posters. And I hope this will continue in the future with even greater participation. I must also take this opportunity to thank the 4 National Young Academies outside the National Young Academy of Bangladesh. As you are well aware that we have been working with the Indian National Young Academy of Sciences. I'd like to thank Professor Chandrasekhar Sharma for his active cooperation. From the Sri Lankan Academy of Young Scientists, Dr. Asanka Pallevata and Dr. Tidini Pereira, they have been with us all through, and so thank you very much for your cooperation. And Dr. Sasitorn Srisavati, the co-chair of TISA and the whole TISA team, I would like to thank you all as well. I would like to mention the BDREN. Our BDREN is the network that has provided us with this Zoom facility that we can use for a longer duration, and this has allowed us to hold all these events and our meetings, and we were also assisted. We also used the facilities from the Sri Lankan Research and Education Network, LEARN, as well as we used Google facilities in using Google Meet for one of the sessions of the second round, as well as many of its facilities in running the event. So I would like to thank them as well. I'd also like to thank, last but not least, the organizing committee members, as well as any student volunteers and colleagues who helped us from the sidelines, from the shadows. So thank you very much. It was a real pleasure working with all of you, organizing this, and we hope this will continue. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Abdullah. So yeah, really it was a wonderful experience to work with this team, and your participation, the students, all of your participation will encourage us to continue this in future. So with this note, I am announcing the closing of the award ceremony. Your certificates and prizes will be sent to you soon. So thank you all for your participation.